to chase the line!
Oh God! Mount Augustus, you're ready!
Stop. Let me bring you back to speed on how we got here.
Get the ball out.
The biggest rock right after. That is right, guys. Welcome back to season 2 of Chasing Lines. Thank you for returning. I'm sure if you haven't seen season 1, you should go back and watch that first. But on this season, we're sticking to Western Australia. We're going to be going up through the Pilbara, up through the Karijini National Park, heading out towards the coast to Steep Point, Coral Bay, Shark Bay, all those awesome destinations. But we're picking things up on our road towards Mount Augustus, passing through Kew, Mount Magnet, Meekatharra, and then we peel off bush towards Mount Augustus, our first destination. And well, we pick things up somewhere along that road. I'm not exactly sure where, but... Oi, Brad, where was that first campsite we stayed at? Anyway, roll that intro. Patreon. Support the future of Chasing Lines. Camping, four-wheel driving, touring, cooking marshmallows. All of that is to come, but wake the f*** up, Bradley! Apparently we're at some old police station. Stopped on the side of the road in the middle of butt f*** nowhere. Welcome to Chasing Lines! Oh, that would have been perfect to go into the intro, but I've already done that. Anyway, enjoy. It looked to be about a 400-kilometre journey from this campsite to Mount Augustus, taking us well into the late afternoon. There was nothing but horizon and trees, desert as far as the eye can see. On day 3 today, we've just come into view of Mount Augusta. Tonight, they reckon there's a shower and amenities there, so we can finally have a clean up. But it's only about 10:30, so I think we're going to get there and see if we can climb this thing. And they reckon it's about 700 metres high, this rock. So it's not Uluru, because that's like in the centre of Australia, but it's probably just as big, I reckon. So we'll see if we can camp near that tonight and have a walk around and then hit up Karijini tomorrow. He's looking at us, he might ram us, bro.
He's looking at you.
He's having a go. Hello? What's your name?
Oh God!
That's cool. Oh, he's not happy, eh?
What do you got? What do you got? He looks like he's just had a drink.
Nah, gone. Yep, enough being silly buggers, fellas. We've got a mountain to climb. So is this thing really like 700 metres high?
Worked that on Google.
Where is it?
Not near here.
Surely you'd see it soon, eh?
Yeah, I would have thought, I would say we're about 40 k's from it, and I would have thought we would have seen it by now. Alright, this right there, Pierce. This one here, coming up. Up in the grass here, eh? It's nice. Plus, I bought a slack line. We can hang it between some trees.
Oh no! Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Jump on it.
Hey? Yeah, right.
Whoa.
I'm gonna do a leg split first.
Alright,
Well, that's right, a little bit of celebration for making it to Mount Augustus. Well, it's all good fun until someone gets hurt. What's the risk here?
Death. Falling in.
Probably submerged snags. Where would it ever be true? We need to supervise all children. They should not dive into the water. Please enjoy the beauty.
We're not coming in to save you. We'll throw the winch. I just wanted to snap.
Oh, I want to grab the chainsaw and chop it one.
Someone chuck me a CC, please.
Spray on the key.
You're just trying to lube up your hole, man.
Oh, look at it go.
Oh, it's the wrong key.
Yeah, you see, it's not the right key.
Oh.
Because I changed the dash,
try my
so
key.
this key, yeah. Because it did work with this key, and I was like, sweet. So I threw the other one in the bin.
Stick a bit of
And
alfoil.
now it's decided not to work.
For a bit of alfoil down with the key.
You've been breaking into cars, Marcus.
Looks like we're walking.
There's Google, mate. There's Google.
So while we were sitting there eating a beautiful lunch, we were reminded of the fact that Brett's tow ball had been jammed in his reese hitch for over a year now. It was time to get this puppy out. Maybe next time. Oh, mate. I think those boys are lost.
Sounds like it, eh? How dusty is that road, man?
Got an icy pole? Well. So I got up this morning and noticed that my battery was at about, was it like 8 or 9 volts? We arrive at the next destination down at Mount Augustus, opened the canopy to find out that the Waco had actually switched itself off, and the whole day we've been driving, it hadn't been charging. Turn it off. So I've got 13.8 on the input. Let's come down to 13.1. So I think the input's right, it's got 13 volts. Just current maybe. Alright, part in that box, that one, there's the yellow tool, the strippers.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the alternator.
So I spent the next probably half an hour to an hour trying to fix this thing. I thought it was a problem with the BCDC charger, but all that was wired up correctly. Played around with a couple of different earths using multimeters and all sorts of stuff. I don't know what was going on at this point.
So we're camping in tonight. With the rate the salmon's going, I think so.
I need a powered site. But not to worry, these boys put their heads together and came up with a solution.
Check that the vehicle is running.
Yeah, that'll work.
Did you check the vehicle was running, Sammy?
Well, it's not now. Turns out, Brad had read the actual instructions and the charger won't recognise the battery if it's sitting under 9 volts, which means the BCDC can have a full charge and it won't even work.
Might not work yet.
Well, yeah, maybe we're too early with
Sounds
celebrating.
more different,
But if the battery is below 9 volts and it's at 8.8, it won't charge it. So I think last night it dropped down below that. So, right, a couple of jump leads, eh?
Give it a go.
I didn't bring them because I thought everyone else would, so you probably thought the same, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't bring a car, so.
Is there no jump lead? Fucking
We've all got your
hell.
batteries, man.
Oh my god. Turns out I had to actually swap my auxiliary battery under the bonnet out and then swap it for the yellow top to charge under the bonnet and chuck my other auxiliary into the canopy. Went for a bit of a drive, charged up the yellow top again, and now it looks like the BCDC is back on track. Tonight we're parked up, got the solar going, the voltage is looking all right, so we'll see what happens tomorrow morning. You can watch episode 2 of Chasing Lines right now by clicking the link below to go to my website. There you can unlock all future episodes for this series. If not, don't worry, I'll be releasing the episodes monthly right here on YouTube. walk was good. Nah, it's not 5:30 and we haven't done the walk because it's raining. So we're just sitting here watching the rain come, and then it goes away, and then it comes back, and it goes away. Am I in focus, Brad?
Yeah.
So we don't know what to do.
Yes, well, it definitely doesn't look inviting, does it?
Might
What
be a
do we
bit
do?
Mark's
slippery.
ready to go. Look at them.
Ah, the cameras get wet and everything. I think it'll be a bit windy up there.
Definitely colder than what it is here.
Yeah. And we'd wear jumpers and they'd get soaking wet, and then it would get windy and you'd just freeze to death.
It's pretty dramatic, man.
No, yeah, it's pretty dramatic. Let's be honest.
Nah, bugger it. You only live once.
Oh, fuck! We're reporting live from the back of the 8. I can't open my eyes.
Just checking the weather at Mount Augustus.
Let's cross the border! Mexico!
Did we make it?
Oh, my legs. Can't feel my fingers. Oi, do you want to go to Flintstone Rock? It's 200 metres.
That was a lightning flash. It sounds good.
Let's do it.
Mount Augustus is known as Berenger Rock to the local Wurundjeri Aboriginal people. The park was gazetted on the 22nd of September in 1986 and is made up of former parts of the Mount Augustus and Cobra stations. Rising 715 metres into the air, this is one of the largest rock formations in the area.
Yeah! Yep.
We made it.
We're to about 300 metres up. Starting to rain.
I reckon we'd get
Realised
lost,
that the
man.
extreme fitness was real. We don't have it.
And you need the water.
I don't know if that's a track. There's no dots anymore.
Nah, you get lost.
No,
We
the
lost
green,
the dots.
the green gully trail
Look
goes
at this
through
thing.
there. The gully trail's there, and the
Oh,
blue trail
no.
goes up on the other side of that rock up there.
What are they?
That was the easy
Rocks.
one, the blue one.
So it's decided to start raining. We didn't climb the rock today, and all roads are closed except the one that goes to Parabadoo up Carragini way. So hopefully this is all good. It hasn't really rained this side as much, but it's a 4-wheel drive only track, so we'll see what happens.
If there's one thing I know about the Pilbara, it's that you do not want to get stuck out here in the wet.
Yeah, no, I gotta stop. I can't do anything now. But all I know is great. I just seen that. Hey, you went through that sideways.
I'm not gonna lie, I was starting to get a little bit worried here. Getting stuck out here in these kind of conditions, you run the real risk of being bogged for a week or more. We needed to get out of here fast. But our friend Brett had run into some mechanical issues. Next time on Chasing Lines. We find this sign saying full drive track only. Make the hole bigger basically. Throw this goo in there, pull it out, and it kind of plugs it from the inside out. Brad inside the car, pulling left, right on a couple of straps hooked to the wipers.
That's an easy fix.
Just rewiring my driving lights so they don't come on during the night and waste my battery.
Tonight, Cuts is cooking, so we're going to make a roast in the campfire.
Some support for our coal man Bradley.
Yeah, Bradley! Doing a good time. Yeah, good work, mate. Got it. You can watch episode 2 of Chasing Lines right now by clicking the link below to go to my website. There you can unlock all future episodes for this series. If not, don't worry, I'll be releasing the episodes monthly right here on YouTube. See you next time.